So my guess is you're either going to a wedding or you're planning a wedding. We'll talk about both, but let's talk about the ones that are going to a wedding first. If you're going to a wedding, it's because you've probably been invited, or you're part of the bridal party, or for whatever reason. Okay, you're going and you want to dance. You don't want to just sit on the sidelines this time. You actually want to know what you're doing, or there's somebody you're going with that you're wanting to impress. That's where our DVDs are going to come in. We teach the fundamentals, the how to look good, the nuts and bolts of what actually takes place. If you're looking for some line dances, we've got some DVDs like Party Line Dances. If you want to learn to slow dance, we've got the slow dance DVDs. If you want to learn swing or salsa or West Coast swing, and you know that there's going to be other people there that are doing some of those dances, this is what you're going to want to take a look at. Leaders, it's going to show you how to do all of the leaders' footwork, and what to do with your left hand, right hand, how to hold your partner, and so forth. Followers, you're going to be able to see all of these things from the follower perspective and get to hear tips and tricks, and actually be able to go through these dances and feel good about them at home before you get to that event. You don't have to take expensive lessons. You don't have to take 6 or 9 or 12 months worth of lessons and spend thousands of dollars. You just need to be able to go through and learn enough to look good, and that's what we focus on. If you're planning a wedding and you want to get out there and look good and do the same kind of things, you're going to focus primarily on the first dance, where you're going to spend the time there, and how to walk out on the floor, how to feel beautiful for the ladies, for the guys, how to actually take her out there, how to hold your partner so that everybody says, wow, they look awesome out on the dance floor, they've been taking lessons. These are the kinds of things that you want people to see and take notice of. Okay, and then at the same time, you also want to be able to dance with the rest of the bridal party and everybody that's there that night. You don't want to just have the one dance, do your first dance, and then hop off the dance floor. You're going to be able to get out there, have fun, invite everybody else to have fun. It's going to make for great pictures, make for great video, and an overall great party atmosphere. That's what you want to create. You're going to get that by going through these DVDs, I can promise you that. Take the time, invest it now, so you're ready for the next wedding when it comes up. I'm Sean Troutman, and I'd like to see you out on the dance floor.